Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase email marketing effectiveness with AWeber easy tutorial step by step clearly. To increase your email marketing effectiveness with AWeber, start by logging into your AWeber account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Click on the Messages tab located in the main menu. Select Drafts to create a new email. Choose the template that fits your brand and style. Customize the subject line to grab your audience's attention. Use AWeber's editor to craft your email content. Incorporate clear and engaging visuals to enhance your message. Next, segment your audience for targeted messaging. Return to your email draft and select the audience segment for sending. Before sending, preview your email on both desktop and mobile. Send a test email to yourself for final review. Once satisfied, schedule your email or send it immediately. After sending, monitor the email analytics in AWeber. Check open rates and click-through rates to gauge effectiveness. Use this data to refine future email campaigns. Continuously experiment with different content and strategies. AWeber's automation features can help streamline your follow-up campaigns. Implement automation sequences to nurture leads over time. Utilize A/B testing to determine what resonates best with your audience. Adjust your approach based on the insights gathered from your campaigns. Consistently engage with your audience to build lasting relationships. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.